This is a JAMB physics problem, and it says that in the given diagram below, the values of the vertically suspended with W and angle X are. So we have to look for W and X. When you want to solve a problem like this is a problem on equilibrium of forces. This system, as it is now, is in equilibrium. Now, because it is in equilibrium, that means that the net force acting on this system is going to be equal to zero. It has zero effect on the system. So whether in the vertical direction or in the horizontal direction, it has net effect of zero. However, this is the way I like to teach this particular question. What I want you to do is that I want you to form a triangle from this. And if you are confused, I always use these three steps. I always use these three steps, and I want you to take note of the three steps. The first one is that number one is fix one of them. So I will call that one fix one. I will explain what I mean by that very soon. And the second step is that after fixing one, I will say extend another, that is apart from the one that you have fixed, extend another one. Then the last thing is to reorientate the last one. Now, what do I mean by these three statements? What I mean by these three statements is that you have three things: the 5 kgf, the 3 kgf, and W. Now, it's always good that when you want to fix any of these things, what I mean is that leave it the way it is. That's what I mean by fix one. Leave it the way it is. Now, it's always good that the one you will fix, let it always be the one that has the angle in question. So note the one with the angle. So therefore, which one am I going to be fixing here? I'm going to be fixing the 5 kgf guy. I'm done with that. So this is already fixed. Leave it the way it is. The next is saying that extend another. Now, there are two options for me to extend here. It is either I extend W or I extend 3. Now, what do I mean by this extend is that, as you can see, this is already going in this direction to the right. If I'm going to extend it, I'm going to extend it backward. This is already going downward. If I want to extend it, I will extend it upward. So that is what I mean by extend another. Now, which one does it make sense for me to extend? If I should extend W here, it's not going to capture the angle that we were given. So why bother extending it? So, but if I extend 3, at least it's going to enclose the angle that was given here inside. So I'm going to extend this 3 to this side. So from here, this is still going to be 3 kgf. And finally, reorientate the last one. The last one is W. What I mean by reorientating is that the way it is going down like this, of course, we'll keep the direction, but I want to carry it away from where it is like this. I want to carry it away from where it is. So carrying it away from where it is, I will just come and place it to complete this triangle right here. So just to complete this triangle, I'll put it somewhere around here. Now, if you can see here, it is still the same. So let me put the arrow, and this is W. Now, it is still the same W. It's just like me carrying it away all the way from this place, carrying it all the way from here, and taking it to this place. And what do you notice there? I've been able to form a triangle, a right angle triangle at that. So this is the triangle that I've been able to form. Now, on this hypotenuse side, I have 5. I have 5 on the hypotenuse side. So let me label that. We have 5 here. I will ignore the unit for now. On this place, we have 3. And then on this side, we have W. Of course, our angle is here, angle X. Now, the first thing we can find here is the W, because this is a right angle triangle. And since it's a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So we know that W squared, the magnitude, plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. Of course, we're familiar with this. This is W squared equals 25 minus 9, and that's 16. That implies that W equals square root of 16, which is 4. So that will be 4 kgf. Now, after getting that, now we can now use SOHCAHTOA to get our value of x. So to get our value of x here, we can use anything we like, because now that we have all the 4 values, but let me use sine. So we know that sine x will be equal to 3 over 5. And that simply implies that x itself will be equal arcsine. So x equals the arcsine of 3 over 5. And if you press that on your calculator, you would have approximately 36.87 degrees. And that is the solution for the value of the magnitude of W and then the value of the angle given. If you like videos like this, subscribe, like, and follow. I'll see you in the next one.